Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I got this blunt cut bob wig with a cute little bang. I'm going to show you my process of how I customized it and I spiced it up, you know, add a little jazz. And also this wig was purchased on Amazon, and the best thing about this wig, it was only $50. Yes, $50. It's Brazilian human hair, machine constructed wig. 150 density. It has a lace closure and it was only $50. So I'm going to show y'all all the details about this wig and the process that I went through to get it to look like this. And if you want to see how I did it, you can keep on watching. Okay.
So here I'm just opening up the package that the wig came in. Inside the package was a weaving wig cap. There's a little information packet on the company. The company is ACCT Wig. They sell synthetic wigs, human hair wigs, so that's that. And now I'm opening up the actual wig. So it came with a middle part and like a 4x4 lace closure. It's already cut into a bob style. It's a machine made wig, so it has combs on the inside, adjustable straps, and all that good stuff. I would say the wig cap is like small to medium. So now I'm just going to put a box dye on this hair, just jet black. So I'm going to apply that off camera. And I just left that in for a few hours.
So it's all washed. And I let it air dry for the most part, so I'm just gonna blow it out real quick. I combed the front part where the lace is. I combed it downwards because I'm gonna be cutting that into a bang. So I'm just gonna blow it real quick. So this is gonna be my bang. This is where the closure is. So I'm gonna just try to line this up a little bit more. So the front I'm gonna leave for now. I'm gonna wait until I try it on my head so I can see how the bang falls there. Now I'm just gonna like flat iron it. Two ponytails. I'm just gonna pin them up. I used to like braid my hair down, but I'm just so lazy nowadays I can't even bother. So I just have some bobby pins. Just gonna keep everything nice and tight. Okay, so I'm all done. The wig is on. Cut a nice thin little front bang. So I like this. The density on the wig is not too much. It's perfect for a bob because it looks nice and sleek and natural. So it's a yes for me. And yeah, let me know if you guys like this wig. I will leave the link to the exact wig that I purchased. I got it from Amazon, so if you guys are interested, definitely check it out. It was only like $50, so definitely cop that. So thanks again for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.